This newer mic arm totally changed the way I record my voiceovers. But that's not all. It completely changed the way I record my videos too. Let me explain. If you are a video creator like me who records voiceovers for videos and clients, you probably know this problem.
Your mic is either hitting or blocking your screens when coming from above, or it's picking up every bump on your desk and limiting your arm movement when coming from below.
What you really need is something precisely in between.
A mic stand that's strong, flexible, and never in your way.
That's exactly what I found with the NEEWER MS002. At first I thought, perfect for voiceovers, but here's the twist. I now use it even more as a camera stand, and it's been a complete game changer for my workflow.
The mic arm is super easy to install. Straight out of the box, you get 3 components. A base with an adjustable C-clamp that locks rock solid to your desk. A bracket that rotates a full 360 degrees. And the real magic, its pneumatic spring-loaded arm.
You also get hex keys and screw adapters, so you've got everything you need right away.
The arm extends to about 75 centimeters or 30 inches and up to 40 centimeters or about 15.5 inch, giving you plenty of flexibility to adjust it to your setup.
And here's the cool part. That spring-loaded arm isn't just for mics. It's strong enough to carry much heavier gear.
Like my Canon R5 Mark II with a zoom lens. I can adjust angles and height in seconds.
No more hassle with tripods in tight spaces, loose knobs, or worrying about tilting or falling cameras.
The MS002 is a real game changer for me.
And stays put, ready to go anytime.
It even comes with cable organizers, which means no more spaghetti-like situations on your desk.
So when I'm not recording voiceovers, I've got my camera mounted on it to record talking head shots at my desk.
And to make switching gear even faster, I used the NEEWER GM47B quick release plates.
With the screw adapters included with the MS002, I can swap between mic and camera with a single click. No knobs, no hassle, just click and go. And if you know me by now, you know I love fast and secure workflows that take the guesswork out of it and make more room for creation.
Well, this is exactly that, and I couldn't be happier having it on my desk.
So definitely check it out if you, like me, enjoy speedy workflows, versatility, and keeping your gear safe and ready to go anytime. Let me know what you think of the NEEWER MS002 or if there are any questions you'd like me to answer. I'd love to hear from you.
And if you'd like to know more about the GM47Bs, I've created a separate video about them, which you can find right here.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more of me, or leave a comment down below. I'll see you there.